Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fill the ink on your Epson EcoTank L3251. So basically what you'll need to do is open your ink tab like this, and here you'll see the color code for the printer that you need to buy. So here's the black color, here's the yellow color, magenta and cyan. You can see the color codes right here. And now I have magenta. It is 106, the color code. I needed 103, but the store didn't have the right color, so I bought this one. And now what you'll need to do is unscrew your ink like this. Open this little tab, and now just turn your ink bottle like this, and you'll hear it's filling, as you can see. And if you are watching from this little window, it will stop eventually, and you want to hear like blah 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 blah. And right here, now what we need to do is take out your ink. You don't get any mess because these bottles have some type of valve. And right here you can just close this little tab, and now your ink is filled. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.